Hello everyone. How are you? It has been approximately 4 years since posting a vlog and at least a year or more since posting anything on this channel. Since my last vlog, lots of things have changed. I've changed. But I feel like I've finally found my style, my aesthetic if you will. As you can see here, I am fully embracing the dark academia clothing aesthetic. It just feels right for me. Oh, and I got a dog. This is Dino. Currently, it is pouring rain here, which is my favorite weather. Living in Los Angeles, it's very rare to see this, and I adore when it comes around. Because of this, I thought it would be fun to walk across the street and grab some breakfast tacos. This is a lot of rain for Los Angeles. It's so wet, and these are huge raindrops. That's part of why I brought my scarf. So I think if I get too wet, I'm just gonna use my scarf as my umbrella because I realized, oh my god, you can see me getting soaked. I realized that my umbrella's in my car, which is at the dealership right now getting serviced. But this is so much fun. I love the rain. It's the best. I'm so excited to be doing this. I may have been out here a little longer than anticipated, but I'm having fun. Okay, so they didn't have breakfast tacos, but the normal ones they did have were really good. I noticed that they put a slice of American cheese in between the two corn tortillas. I'd never seen somebody do that before. They were really good that way. I definitely think I'm going to be going back. Recently, I got back into reading again. Believe it or not, but when I was younger, I really struggled with it. But recently, I have found this new love for it. I really enjoy getting to wind down and running away into these beautiful fantasy worlds. Princesses wielding swords, high fae, witches casting spells, and adorable cottages in the woods. I love it all. Now, don't get me wrong, we love a good TV show at our house. Our current obsession is The Last of Us. But there are just some things about books that are just magical. Today I am getting to do something I've always wanted to do. Have high tea at an official British restaurant. And I'm lucky enough to get to do this with some dear friends. Let's go!
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arm. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep in the abiding, for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move
amazing time getting to have tea with my wonderful friends. I felt like I had stepped right into Bridgerton with how everything looked and tasted. The people at Ye Olde King's Head were so lovely and accommodating. I definitely think this is something I'm gonna do again.
Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you.
But I'm not gonna find out.
I'm deeply excited to be making videos again. I finally feel like I have found the style that really suits me and fits my style of video making. Since the beginning of COVID, a lot of things have changed. Some were good and some were not so good. My life has become more hectic, more honest, and a lot more me. Since moving to Los Angeles, I really struggled with finding people whose lifestyles blend with my own. But recently that's changed. I have found some of the funniest, kindest, most down for high tea whenever people I could have asked for. I am so ready to begin this chapter of my life and with them by my side. So be prepared, because you are going to see a lot of them. The whole point of these videos is to get to create and share special moments with you. I don't know if all of the videos will be vlogs. They may just be slow moments of my life I want to share, or me romanticizing a season.
Bella! Where the hell have you been, Luca?
All I know is that they will be unapologetically me. So with that in mind, I hope you have a spectacular week, an excellent day, and I'll see you soon.